Welcome to our YouTube channel. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we'll be making our favorite breakfast dish. It is an egg dish. It's called Kejriwal. There's some interesting history behind it. But the reason we love it is because it's so crispy, so cheesy. It's got a bit of kick to it. Perfect for the morning.
Oh yeah, it's perfect for breakfast. So this dish is actually from Dishoom book. One of the recipes that we tried a couple of days ago as well. And yeah, it turned out so nice that we wanted to do it again and share it with you on screen.
And what are we going to make to accompany it?
And also, yeah, we're making so any breakfast, any Indian breakfast
will be incomplete.
Yeah, it will be incomplete without masala chai. So we're making chai to accompany our toast. This will be masala tea recipe from the Dishoom book as well. And so, yeah.
Yep. No breakfast can go without a masala chai accompanying it. So yeah, let's start with the masala chai. We can let that bring on the side.
Yeah.
So for that, we need a big, heavy metal pan. We'll be putting like roughly 1.5 liter of like milk and tea. So make sure you have a big pan.
Yeah, I'll bring all the ingredients here.
Yeah.
For the masala chai, you will need 2 tablespoons of loose tea leaves or 3 tea bags, 12 slices of fresh root ginger, 1.5 teaspoons of black peppercorns, 12 cardamom pods and 5 cloves, 2 cinnamon sticks, 50 grams of sugar, 500 milliliters of whole milk. So we'll crush the ginger first, so put that in there. This is just to loosen up the juices in ginger and then...
Yeah, if you don't do it, the water won't get the flavor as much.
Yeah. So this is roughly crushed. We'll tip this.
Yeah, in the boiling water.
Yeah, water.
Right, the cinnamon sticks can go as it is. So now we'll let that simmer for 10 minutes. So while that's happening, shall we prepare the next part of our breakfast?
Yeah.
The ingredients you will need for Kejriwal toast are 80 grams of mature cheddar cheese grated, 1 or 2 slices of white bread. This could be bloomer, sourdough or brioche, depending on your preference. The recipe calls for 2 spring onions chopped, but we didn't have this in our pantry, so we are using white onion instead. You'll need 1 green chili, very finely chopped, 1 or 2 large eggs, so 1 per slice of toast. You will also need coarsely ground black pepper.
So for that, first thing we'll do is we'll cut the bread and slightly toast it. So ours is a bit of a mozzarella, cheddar, but yeah, you can use whatever you like. So what we'll do is we'll add the onion. So I've seen people do this in different ways. Some people just use a cheese slice. That's also an option. The recipe calls for spring onion. We are using just your white onion, diced finely. We'll add a chili and a tomato. So yeah, I think be as generous as you want. So, you spread the cheese evenly on all the slices. So we'll transfer them on a baking tray. I've definitely gone very generously with the spread.
So it's been more than 10 minutes. I'm going to add milk in here so it brews whilst we cook our eggs.
Yep.
Here we go.
So while the cheese is melting in the grill, we'll start working on the egg. So for the egg, we'll need a pan. With this dish, I've seen multiple ways of doing it. What we will do is we will put the eggs in the pan, put cheese on it, as you will see, and then we'll transfer it to the grill. But otherwise, if you want to, you can just cover it with a lid and let it cook on this itself. Because if you're using the grill, you have to make sure your pan is oven safe. Hello. So there goes one egg. So I'll move it away from the heat because it does seem to be cooking quite quickly. Add some of the mixture. It might seem like a lot of cheese, but so you can adjust it with your preference.
Mm-hmm. Looks very pretty.
Yep.
Ooh.
So nicely brown. So now, that's another thing we love about this dish. If you want, you could eat it at this point and you have your chili cheese toast with chai. Maybe you don't eat the eggs, maybe you don't like to eat eggs, so that can be a dish on its own. So we'll take our eggs, so you can see they're not fully cooked right now, they're just from the bottom. And we'll put it on the grill. Let's just have a look. So now this just depends on how well done you like your eggs. Do you like yours runny or a bit more?
I like mine a bit cooked.
So divide them into two. Get a drizzle of pepper.
Really nice. It's perfect breakfast for anyone who's wants to do a quick recipe in the morning. There's limited ingredients needed.
Without compromises as well.
Yeah, the taste is amazing. The flavors are there. If you like spice, add chilies as much you like. If you don't, take the chilies out.
Yeah.
But we love chilies, so this is amazing.
Yeah, and you can definitely reduce the cheese. I think we did go extra on it. It's a Sunday. I think we kind of like it's our comfort meal today. But yeah, and the chai is amazing. I love the kick, the pepper and the flavor the cinnamon brings. You almost don't need to add any sugar because there's so much depth to the flavors.
Yeah.
So yeah, thanks for watching. Let us know what is your favorite egg dish that you like to make or whatever breakfast dish you like to make. Perhaps we can try it out as well. But yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.
You just put it here.
So we'll transfer these on the plates ready to be served. Should I do it here or there?
Oh, do it with the lighters.
Keep me where the light is. Don't. So on hindsight, so yeah, that's one thing to remember once your pan is out of the hob grill.